Hi Taurus, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Taurus, a very interesting month. We have a major planet movement. We have all the cardinal signs that are activated. That is your Aries, Cancer, Capricorn, and Libra. And they're the ruling planet for some of them. That is your Taurus and Libra. Venus is going to be moving. We have Mercury that is moving as well. We have Mars moving. We have Jupiter that is moving twice. And with this cardinal cross getting activated, we can see some amount of tussle that could be happening. Now these cardinal signs get affected more, so would you, but then the cardinal signs get immensely affected more so over here. On the 5th, we have Mars that is moving into a part of your chart that is all about communication. It is about travel, and it is also about siblings. And Mars is going to be creating a lot of action. Mars is really not about planning or wanting to listen or to debate. It wants results. It wants to get things done. So you could be either being very assertive about something that you want, about your communication. You could be busy convincing people. You could also be, some of you could be traveling, you could be on the road, and also for some of you, I think there is some amount of either your sibling needs some advice, or you could be waiting to hear something from your sibling, or it could also be that you're being called upon to do some mitigation as far as your sibling is concerned. On the 6th, we have Venus, and Venus is moving into your own sign. So birthday time Taurians, and lovely. So with Venus into your own sign, there's going to be a sense of wanting to make yourself not just feel better but also look better. So a lot of you could be going through some major wardrobe changes. You could be getting nice haircuts or experimenting with your clothes and generally looking more spiffy. This is also a great time to be letting go of some old patterns, Taurans. If there's a specific way that you're used to thinking and you're fairly convinced that, oh, this is how life has treated me and this is how I should be, with this particular transit of Venus into your sign, it's just going to be it's going to allow you to feel more gently, more softly, and have more compassion. Now on the 7th, we have Mercury, and it's joining Sun in your house of money. So a lot of conversations about your earned income, and again your ability to get more money. And some of you could also be looking at various sources as to how it is that you can generate more money. This also has to do with your sense of self-worth, and for some of you, you could be feeling quite good about your ability to earn money or the material success that you have had. Try and be a little careful, Taurian, because this house also touches the house of karma. So it's good if you're doing well. It's brilliant that you've made a material success out of your life, but because compassion is something which keeps coming again and again. I think last month when I had done a video, I put the heading as kindness is never forgotten, and compassion again is a big key for you this month. So remember to be compassionate, to remember that even though you're sitting on top of the ladder right now, you did have to climb that ladder, and the people who were with you while you were climbing the ladder. So try not to get all that material success and that wealth get to your head and say, it's quite alright, I can deal with it. On the 7th, we have Mercury that's joining Sun in your house, in your first and again in your own house. So quite a party happening over there. And again, a lot of conversations about yourself, what it is that you want out of life, your dreams, your desires, your goals, your wishes. And then we have a full moon that is coming and joining your house of marriage, and Saturn is already there. Now see, this is the very interesting thing, and it's there has to be a balance in universe that is drawn. There's seldom that everything is just given on a platter. I think we really want to evolve as humans. Of course, I'm not counting those who have absolutely no expectations out of life, but for the normal mortals like us, the the balance between the material and the emotional success. It is something which is really, really important for you, because Saturn sitting in your house of relationship, it's speaking about power struggles, it's speaking about drawing a balance, it's speaking about the rights and the wrongs, how it is that you're treating your partner in a marriage, how it is that you're learning or you're showcasing that you have learned from your past mistakes. What is it that you are doing with compassion so that the same mistakes don't happen again? Are you being forgiving, or are you just going on about the same thing? I was hurt and I was treated in such a way and I can't let go of this, and this one did this, that rant has to stop, and that sense of feeling victimized has to stop this month. And there's a very, very close connection between giving and taking and receiving and compassion and kindness and the love that we draw to ourselves. And it's a very, very beautiful and a very fine line, how it is that we treat others when we have everything with us, the entire material success. And I think that is really the core message for you this month. On the 24th, we have a new moon, that is, a new moon in your house of income, in your house of self-worth. So there is an opportunity to earn more money. For those of you who have been looking for a job, maybe wanting to start a new project, it's a time where you will find avenues opening for you. People are willing to entertain you, offer you different maybe larger portfolios, different location, and your sense of self-worth and self-esteem will boost more along with it. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Taurians. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.